Hello everyone, this is Bitcoin Guide. Before we dive into our market analysis for today, May 21st, let's take a moment to review the performance results from yesterday's analysis on May 20th. Yesterday, it was a long position strategy. Once we confirmed that initial touch of the purple finger up at the top, our primary strategy was to pivot and enter a 77.3k long position down at the bottom. We set our target specifically for that gap 10 zone. Our stop loss was positioned to trigger on a break below the purple support line, and all of this was planned well before the actual move took place. Now let's go ahead and hit that replay button over on the right side to see exactly how things played out after that move. This is the movement since the analysis was posted. As you can see, it continued to trade sideways before touching the purple finger, number 1 zone at the top. After switching to a long position at 77.3k, it closed without breaking below the purple support line. And today, after a brand new daily candle was formed, the price rose by about $800. But a correction is currently taking place. Since these candles continue to form toward the right, the support line, as time passes, will. The support line is increasingly likely to break. So I've taken responsibility and maintained yesterday's strategy, carrying over the 77.3k long position entry zone for today. Now for the May 21st you've been waiting for. This is a Bitcoin chart analysis and it's a long position strategy. 77.3k. I'm still holding the long position from yesterday. The red finger marks the 76.9k entry zone for a long position, and the green support line is the stop loss level if it breaks. For those holding long positions from yesterday and those entering today, please keep an eye on whether the green support line is broken. The stop loss level remains the same. And the upper target price of 78.7k is down slightly from yesterday. Wrap up after that. If the strategy succeeds, 78.3k is the level to use for re-entering a long position. If it manages to rebound today, depending on the situation, it could reach 78.7k, which was yesterday's target range, or even the 79k gap 10 range. So please keep that in mind. If it breaks the green support line, the bottom zone I've indicated at 76k has a potential downside open up to 75.7k. So, if the green support line is broken today, those holding long positions should be careful. The situation has shifted quite a bit since yesterday because after the analysis was written, the price is currently rebounding without ever having touched the 76.9k mark. That is the specific detail that differs from what we saw yesterday. Now we are looking at the Bitcoin daily chart. The Bollinger Band support line on the daily chart appeared to be holding its ground quite firmly until yesterday, but it has unfortunately opened up now. Consequently, that support line can no longer function as a significant rebound zone for us today. So I would strongly advise you to remain very cautious. So you can expect a potential pullback from the bottom zone up to level 1. The specific shape of this support line is absolutely crucial to our work. It really isn't all that complicated to grasp, is it? That wraps up today's strategy analysis. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. That way, you can receive daily updates as quickly as possible. So now, please use my analysis posts and videos strictly for your own reference purposes. I hope you trade in accordance with your principles and always use stop loss orders to keep yourself safe. Thank you so much for watching.